For everything automotive, think Heritage Honda. Heritage Honda's 2 locations means 2 times the selection, 2 times the savings, and 2 great ways to save on hundreds of new Hondas.
Driving somewhere fun? Then choose something fun to drive. Power under the hood. The 185 horsepower DOHC-i VTEC engine has the most horsepower and torque of any CR-V engine yet. Electronically activated real-time all-wheel drive with intelligent control system helps your CR-V react lightning fast to a loss of traction. The iMID is your go-to for all your important drive-related information. It displays info like your current MPG, trip range, the song you're playing, SMS text messages, and even turn-by-turn directions if you opt for the available navigation system. CR-V has a rear seat that folds down in multiple configurations, so you have lots of space and plenty of ways to use it. CR-V is packed with many of Honda's safety features. Vehicle Stability Assist with Motion Adaptive EPS helps keep you safer through corners. The CR-V's advanced compatibility engineering body structure is a Honda-exclusive body design that's built for occupant protection and crash compatibility in frontal collisions. The 2014 CR-V is loaded with high-tech features. The 2014 Honda CR-V. Versatility has never looked so good.
Heritage Honda, with 2 convenient locations on Baltimore Boulevard in Westminster and Harford Road in Baltimore. We're sure to have the perfect vehicle for you.